Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 3D render images has been surfaced online, which give us a pretty much good detail about the upcoming Samsung budget flagship. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition should hopefully arrive at some point in 2021. And while we wait, the leaker Even Bloss has shared some 3D renders that provide a good look at the Samsung budget flagship. Quite recently, the phone was spotted on the Samsung Instagram account and was certified by Bluetooth SIG. We have also seen the leaked marketing images of the device. Today, images give us a more comprehensive look. The phone closely resembles the standard Galaxy S21 model with the exception that the camera island is not painted a different color than the rest of the back. This appears to give a device a cleaner look. As far as the camera specs, the phone is not expected to feature the Galaxy S21 setup. Instead, it's tipped to get a 32 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel of telephoto snappers. At the front, we have a 6.4 inch of a screen which is AMOLED display, and it will likely be a touch louder than the Galaxy S21, and it is also likely to support a refresh rate of 120 Hz. On the front, we are also going to see a 12 megapixel selfie camera that is going to be housed in a punch hole. For reference, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition offered a better 32 megapixel front shooter, so this is going to be a downgrade from the last year model. Like the predecessor, the S21 Fan Edition does not have a headphone jack, and the render shows the upcoming phone in a white, green, grey, violet and blue color option. On the front, we are also going to see the in-display fingerprint scanner support, which is obviously going to be an optical rather than ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The front is also housing a Gorilla Glass protection, but right now we are not sure whether we are going to see the Gorilla Glass Victus protection on the front or not. Internally, the S21 Fan Edition will be coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, which will be paired with at least 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of expandable storage, which means that we are going to see the support for micro SD card slot inside the device. Samsung will apparently stuff a 4370 mAh of a battery inside, which is fairly going to be a great battery capacity, and it will almost give you a full day of battery usage. As far as the release date is concerned, it is going to be a mystery right now. The phone was reportedly originally supposed to arrive in August alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but that does not happen. Some sources has pointed out that it may be released in October, but one has indicated that we might have to wait until the end of the year. So guys, all in all, this is going to be one of the best affordable phone of the 2021 because the pricing for that particular device will be going to be even cheaper. So definitely this is going to be a flagship killer level device which most of the people are waiting for. And here that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.